Hi everyone, my name's Lauren and I'm a skincare consultant here at Esmi Skin Minerals. Today's video is going to be focusing on one of my favourite skincare ingredients, and that's hyaluronic acid. So we're going to discuss what it is, what it does, and how you can use it in your skincare routine. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is an absolute superhero ingredient when it comes to skincare. This is probably one of the most well-known skincare ingredients out there. You probably see this ingredient everywhere, and for good reason. Hyaluronic acid is naturally found within our bodies. This is something that does decrease as we age, unfortunately. A little analogy that I like to think of is a baby's skin. This is really plump and beautiful and full of hyaluronic acid. Unfortunately, as we age, this starts to deplete and our skin naturally starts to get rid of this. So this can start to result in concerns of dullness, dehydration, fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, etc. These are not concerns that we can prevent, unfortunately. It's a part of the body's natural aging process, but we can definitely work on treating these concerns and boosting sort of those hydration levels within the skin with your hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is the ultimate skincare ingredient when it comes to hydration. This is something that we like to refer to as a big drink of water for the skin, essentially. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant. So what is a humectant? Humectants are ingredients that work by drawing water to the surface of the skin or the stratum corneum by pulling water from the surface or the atmosphere around you or even deeper skin cells. This is to work on hydrating the surface of the skin. Hyaluronic acid has superior humectant properties. So this is one of the main reasons why we absolutely love using hyaluronic acid in our skincare to work on targeting concerns of hydration. It can act like a magnet to sort of draw and attract hydration deep within the skin cells. Hyaluronic acid is an ingredient that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So you can understand why it's amazing for targeting concerns of dehydration. Hyaluronic acid isn't just for hydration, it actually has amazing antioxidant properties as well. So this is great for protecting the skin from environmental damage, from free radicals over time, which is key for anti-aging as well. So where can I find hyaluronic acid in the Esmi range? The Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum is one of our absolute best sellers. This is great for giving the skin a big drink of water, one of our go-to products for boosting those internal hydration levels within the skin. You also have your niacinamide in there as well, which is an amazing ingredient to use in conjunction with hyaluronic acid. Our Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum contains a cube 3 hyaluronic acid complex. This is a combination of smaller and larger molecular weight of the hyaluronic acid. So this will aid in sort of better penetration and absorption within the skin when you have those sort of smaller and larger molecule sizes. The best time to apply your hyaluronic acid is straight after cleansing the skin. This is when the skin is still slightly damp and has a little bit of moisture in it, just to ensure the product is absorbing, penetrating the skin to its best potential. So your Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum is purely for internal hydration. This is a water-based serum, so just make sure you do apply a moisturizer or an oil over the surface to ensure you are locking in the hydration or the hyaluronic acid into the skin so it doesn't escape as easily. All skin types are susceptible to signs of dehydration, whether you are oily, dry, combination, or even sensitive skin types. So hyaluronic acid is definitely a staple ingredient that we do recommend for lots of different skin types and skin concerns. So pretty much every skincare routine will benefit from the hydrating powers of hyaluronic acid. Please reach out to our dedicated skin service team today for your free skin consultation. You can find us on our website. We have live chat on there 7 days a week, and you can also send us a DM on Instagram, Facebook. You can even email us as well. You can find our emails here. We hope you loved today's video. Please don't forget to comment any questions you have below, like, share, subscribe, and click the little notification bell as well to stay up to date to any of our future videos. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.